しょう。
3倍以上の走行に回ります。
めっちゃ遠いなこれ。テコンドーしたらやろうかな。
Now sports. The annual international judo competition, Grand Slam Tokyo, has opened. On day one, two former world champions in the women's 48-kilogram class faced each other. Ami Kondo is 20 years old. Haruna Asami is... They fought together in last year's final and again this year. The winner will be a step closer to her first Olympic Games next year. With a little over 30 seconds left, Kondo received a Shido penalty that gave Asami an advantage. Kondo says she was not going to give up no matter what. Almost immediately after that, Kondo threw her opponent in a maneuver called Osotogari. She was given a Wazari point. Kondo went on to subdue her opponent. She won by an ippon. Kondo says the win will bring her one step closer to the Rio Olympics. She says she will keep working hard. The women's 57-kilogram class featured London Olympic gold medalist Kaori Matsumoto. A lapse in concentration in a second-round bout cost her dearly. She lost to a Brazilian former world champion by an ippon. Matsumoto says the loss was devastating.
In Major League Baseball, the Seattle Mariners signed a contract with Norichika Aoki. Aoki held a news conference in Seattle.
Hello, Seattle. I'm Norichika Aoki. Nice to meet you.
He says he decided to join the Mariners because he wants to help the club win a title. His new uniform number is 8. Number 51, used by Ichiro Suzuki when he was a Mariner, was available. But Aoki says he does not deserve the number. He also says he chose 8 because his daughter wanted him to. Mariners were attracted by Aoki's high on-base percentage, which is higher than .350. The swift-footed player can also cover a lot of ground in the field. He signed a one-year contract. Expectations are high for both his batting and fielding. Aoki says he's realized that he is needed by the Mariners. He says the club is a new place for him. Aoki says he will do his best to contribute.
Nippon Ham star pitcher Shohei Ohtani has signed a new contract with the club. He is both a pitcher and outfielder. He's been rated highly for his pitching. Ohtani has won titles in 3 pitching categories, including the most wins. His new annual salary is estimated to be 200 million yen. Ohtani says he's delighted. Ohtani is just the second player who turned pro fresh out of high school to collect an estimated annual salary of 200 million yen in their 4th season. The first was on Ham pitcher Yu Darvish. And yet, Ohtani kept calm. Ohtani says he'll practice every day, asking himself whether he really deserves such a high salary. Yasuaki Yamasaki of DNA won this year's Rookie of the Year, and his pay for the next year is estimated at 50 million yen, more than 3 times his salary this year. Yamasaki says the amount is more than he expected. He notched up 37 saves as a closer this season. That's an all-time high number of saves as a rookie. He says he will work hard to become a star player. He says he wants to be a player that fans cannot help cheering on even more. King and RBI title of the Pacific League this season. He renewed his contract with Seibu for an estimated 410 million yen plus merit-based pay for the next season. He showed off his power as an irreplaceable cleanup hitter, but Seibu finished in 4th place. He is determined to work harder for the team. Nakamura says he's not yet satisfied with his performance this season. He says he will work hard to help the team win the pennant.
Masataka Yoshida of Aoyama Gakuen University has signed a provisional contract with Oryx. The team picked him first in this year's pro baseball draft. Yoshida says it's sinking in that he's going to play for Oryx. Expectations are high that Yoshida will be able to contribute to Oryx from day one. The power hitter batted cleanup on the college national team. He signed the provisional contract in Fukui City, his hometown. Yoshida aims to bat 300 and get 30 home runs. Yoshida says he wants to be one of the best players.
Mayu Hamada became the first Japanese to become world champion in May. She will take part in an international event from qualify for the Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. Hamada says she has been striking a good balance between techniques and mental strength since she won the World Championships. She says she made a good start for the 2016 Olympics. She is 1 meter 74 centimeters tall. She boasts a high kick that can reach 2 meters. She won the world title using her kicking ability. NHK sports reporter Ai Sasaki has the first dan in karate. Sasaki says Hamada has firm muscles in her upper buttocks. In October, she took part in an international tournament as reigning champion for the first time. Her rivals were better prepared to fight her than before. An opponent closed the distance, anticipating her kicks. Had been waiting for a light kick. She allowed the opponent a come-from-behind victory. She says she was caught off guard, which made her realize she needs to improve her skill. She says her rivals may study her styles, but she wants to get ahead of them. Kicks are the main attacking technique in Taekwondo, but Hamada now practices her punches. A punch can earn only 1/3 the points that the head can, so she hasn't used punches that much. But now she plans to win points when an opponent closes the distance. She says her punching technique is still only 20% what she aims at, but it will be effective if she masters it. The World Taekwondo event opens in Mexico on Saturday. Hamada aims to win a ticket for the Olympics. She says she wants to win the title, but will concentrate on fully using her techniques to qualify for the Rio de Janeiro Games.
That was real reporting on your part. Yes, I could feel how powerful she was. Hamada currently ranks 3rd in the world, and after the upcoming Grand Prix final, if she moves up within 6th place in the world, she will make it to the Rio Olympics.
In soccer, Gamba Osaka will play Sanfrecce Hiroshima in the second match of this year's championship final tomorrow. The match will be held at Sanfrecce. Team won the first match coming from behind. Sanfrecce will become this champion with a win or draw.